Today's Wednesday, 21st, here at the Hildebrand Machinery Company. This is the Moore CNC jig grinder, stock number 19035P. This is the X-axis accuracy test. We've got a Joe block set up with our indicator there. The Joe block has been indicated in for straightness and squareness. And back here we're set on the screen. And Wayne's going to move it for us, and we'll try to walk around here and watch the dial indicator. Start. Okay, here's the setup we have. We're going to go once the indicator or travel start moving. I'll zero or focus into the indicator. That's a 10th indicator, and we'll see what it says. Go ahead, Wayne. This thing moves slow. Moving away from the stop now. And then the indicator will drop down onto the face of the Joe block. We're going to drop down. Indicator coming around. So your reading now is 4 inches?
Yes.
It's 4 inches, 0, 0, 0 on the mark. And it looks to me like the dial indicator is what, about a half a tenth off a needle. Okay, and that measurement was taken with the backlash all headed in the same direction, so it didn't account for any backlash in the screw, because the table was always moving in the same direction to get the dimensions. Now what we're going to do is check the backlash. We're going to set the indicator to 0 and then move the table in the opposite direction and see how much backlash we have. So there you're at 0.
Not quite 1/10.
So it's not
nine millionths or something.
Was it point zero?
4 zeros with a 9 on the end.
Okay. Now go ahead and do that until the indicator moves.
Now we're back to 0 with 3 and 3. About the same thing, 0.00009. It's hard to see the indicator move when you're only moving, you know, a tenth of what the indicator shows.
Yeah,
But
so
as soon as I seen the needle flicker,
you know, our indicator and this control, the control's a lot more accurate than the indicator.
Right.
So, you know, but it's not like it's 2 or 3 or 4 away.
same thing, 0.00009.
Okay, so now we're set up on the y-axis. We kept our 4-inch block and we turned it around. Indicator still the same. And what we're going to do, we got this set to 0. We're touching our block. And our reading over here is set. We're on the y-axis at 2.2 inches. So now we're going to go back here and we're going to move this. And come off to the left. And we'll go straight back. And in the back we have a ear that sticks out at the end of the block, so we're only going the same direction. We've always got the travel going the same direction. Are you going to stop the indicator at 0 or? Okay. And we're just about 1/10 strong on the indicator, and the reading says
4/10 off.
that's what the reading says. The indicator showing about 1/10 strong, and that's where the 2-inch is now 199.6. Well, that's whatever that is. That's how far off it is.
About 4/10.
About 4/10.
If I take that to 2-inch, then we're showing 4 or 5/10 on there.
We just changed that to 2-inch there. We'll come back here. And we'll find the indicator. See, we're 3.5 to 4/10. That's the y-axis. We'll go to the next machine.